Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone. I hope you are fine, you are healthy while watching my video. So for today guys, oh my G, I can't believe that we are almost done with July. And I don't know if this video will go up. I will try to post this before end of July because I try to do every month theme, and I think I started it last May, so that was May and then July now. And then I'm like, what I'm gonna do for July is like I can't think of anything, and I'm like, July stands for Julius Caesar. So since I'm not a guy, I will do Julia Caesar. So I already done my face. I already put my foundation, blush on, and everything. All I have to do is my eyes and my lips. So because I was like, okay, I don't know, like the part of doing a makeup, my favorite is doing eyeshadow. I don't know, it's just, that's me. So I'm gonna put my, what is this, my costumes and my tiara later when I'm done. So for today, we are using the Anastasia Prism and the Kylie red velvet for our lips. So let's start, and maybe we can have like chit chat while I'm doing my makeup. So let's dive in. So how's everybody guys? So I will use this lure, and of course I will do the one eye, and then I'll do the rest in my god, I don't know why I'm so, like, I feel like I'm so tired. But I'm gonna do is just pop it here, just put it here. And whenever you do eyeshadow, try to the first eyeshadow you do is you put it here, like just here, and then just concentrate on that. And then you can go, and then when there's no a lot of product in your brushes, then you can drag it up, and then in inner corner of your eyes, because if you start here, your eyeshadow, it's so hard to blend. And then this part here is it feels like you have like a, what you call this, like the eyeshadow that's stuck in your eyes. It's like, what is that? It's hard, it's easy to blend if your eyeshadow is here in the side. I'm not saying like all the way. It's like, if I'm not like doing my makeup, I'm watching like different technique. Like I want to learn, because I know I'm not what is this? I'm not a makeup artist. So I'm learning it by, you know, watching some YouTube videos. Oh my goodness. My sorry, my like my my nose is crying. It's just, I hate allergies. So yeah, I'm watching like different YouTubers. Not the, you know, like, I don't know if you know like Robert Wall. Oh my god, what's his last name? Walsh? Robert Walsh? I don't know. Oh my god, I forgot his last name. But maybe I'll put him in my comment section. Maybe I'll pin his Facebook, YouTube. I'm sorry guys, what I'm doing right now. So I'm thinking about doing some What is this? Like, okay, I'll be back. So I'm thinking about doing a smoky eyes, because for me, smoky eyes is like, I don't know if it's like it's beautiful during nighttime. I'm thinking about, you know, I'm an emperor, so I'm gonna do a smoky eyes. Why not? I can do what I want. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I've been thinking and thinking, and me and my husband is like, what is the like a theme? What we're gonna do for July? It's so hard to do a theme. I don't know if I'm gonna do it still. What do you think, guys? Do you think my theme for the month is good, or do I need to like think about different um things I'm gonna do here in my channel? So I think that is okay. Yeah, and then it's this is gonna be easy. It's just blend, 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 and I will get the black shadow here, the obsidian. I love Anastasia's what is this eyeshadow, because they are very pigmented, like just a little, and then it goes a long way. So what we're gonna do for the black eyeshadow, it is matte black eyeshadow. By the way, you don't need to get whatever palette I'm using, because even if you don't have ABH, you can still achieve this look by, you can look whatever palette you have and then just try it on, like you don't need to like buy a palette that's similar to my palette. So I'm gonna do is try to concentrate here, putting just a lower, because we're gonna put a different we're gonna put shadows on the top of the black shadow. So what I'm gonna do is just try to put them closest to my lashes. Yeah, and I'm not gonna put all the way here on the outer V, because I just want the first eyeshadow to pick, to show. So yeah, just like that. It's like a panda. Now you can go back to the first eyeshadow and just go back here on the outer V. Should it still show up? And maybe a little bit up. Can you see it, guys? Don't worry if it's not perfect. That is okay. So I don't know, it's just me. It's like I love to like back and forth of the eyeshadow I'm using, because I want the eyeshadow to show up in my eyes. I don't know, it's just, that's how I do my eyeshadow. And yeah, so we are ready for our third shadow, and I'm gonna use a dimension. Of course, my finger is the best application, for it has a shimmer. No, oh my god, shimmer eyeshadow. Yeah, finger is the best application. And just, yeah, did you see that? I love it. Just put it on the top of the obsidian, or the black eyeshadow, just on the top. Become a metal or something. Yeah. And voila, we are done. Done. And let's do the other eye, and I'll be back. And this is our final look. Yay! What do you think of our final look, guys? I already have my lips, my Laurel. Looks like Laurel. And already have my lips by Kylie, a red velvet by Kylie. This is lipstick and lip liner, red. And yeah, so this is my takeaway of Julia Caesar. I hope you like it, guys. I'm sorry it's not like the rest of my monthly theme that is like extravagant, but I try to have like sit down. I don't know, it's just I'm feeling a little bit what you call this, sick for a couple of days, and I think since last week it's like it's not like really sick, but it's just hard for me to sleep. I don't know, it's just maybe, I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, so I hope you like it, guys. I don't know, it's just my eyes, it's like too high. I try not to like define my eyebrows, because you know before we don't have like, but it's just the shape of my eyebrows though. Like I try not to like define them, but I can't help it. It's just this. It's just this is like, this is how my brows. So yeah, did you like my eyes? I hope you like it, and please give me a thumbs up, and I hope I'll see you again on my next video, guys. Please keep safe, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Hello, guys.